Hi everyone, this is Advitya and today I'm super excited to talk about Redmi 9 Power smartphone that I've been using for a while now. So let's get started. The one I have here is in blazing blue, but there is a mighty black and fairy red variant available too. The highlight of this phone is its 48 megapixel quad camera array that allows you to click stunning shots in every setting. This is how the great picture quality looks. Be it night mode, time-lapse, movie frame or color focus, the camera delivers exceptional quality. Plus, look here, the 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens opens up a 120-degree field of view for some classy panoramic shots. You also get to put your best face forward with AI-powered 8 megapixel selfie camera. Aside from this, the phone has 4GB RAM along with 64GB internal memory expandable up to 512GB. It comes with dual SIM and a dedicated SD card slot. This phone runs on Android V10 operating system and Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor. It features 6000 mAh large lithium polymer battery with 18-watt charging support that will easily last you long hours of usage. The display here is 6.53-inch FHD plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen with 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution. Plus, the Cornilla Gorilla Glass 3 prevents the display from any scratch and damage. And that's not all. You get to enjoy a hands-free experience with Alexa. Overall, it's a great smartphone for people looking with brilliant specs without costing a fortune.